What's up everybody? In this video, what I'm going to tell is that creating an more organic lifestyle in the loving life of English countryside means to say growing my own fruits and vegetables in the beautiful cottage house in the loving life of English countryside. Let's begin. So in this video, what I want to tell is that creating my own organic lifestyle means growing my own fruits and vegetables. So this is to say that everything which is homemade are always healthy, natural. So what happens is that when I love growing my own fruits and vegetables, it will be more healthy. I can stay on a diet and I can save time and everything, because I don't need so much of acres of land to plant these vegetables and fruits. All I need is a small pot. That itself is convenient to make a healthy lifestyle. So when we see this, it strikes my mind how this organic lifestyle teaches us to be more disciplined, right guys? And also to be under control of the diet we take, it helps us to produce better lifestyle related to natural. So the more amount of homemade fruits and vegetables eat, the more amount of health will be saved, because it has been shown that all the homemade fruits and vegetables saves health and time. It also improves our overall health. So compared to buying outside, this is the example, which means everything made of homemade is the best example. So as I started doing YouTube videos, this also created me idea on how to create an organic lifestyle, which means this lifestyle is very, very important to me to make my health better and more strong. So after I gone through all this, the only thing I acquired is small container where we can plant fruits and vegetables. We can pick it up from there, right guys? And to say, every vegetable we research, it is available in the homemade recipes, which means vegetables grown in the home, where we don't need to spend money unnecessarily going to stores. So when I see an outside markets, it may contain pesticides where these fruits and vegetables are loaded on the truck. This may be one of the reasons I try to grow my own vegetable and fruits, and also to be healthy every single day. Home growing vegetables are one of the best examples, because it has been told that growing your own vegetables and fruits helps you to make your lifestyle more healthy. Your appearance, skins will improve. That is the thing I would like to say. I would like to grow my own vegetables and fruits in the loving life of English countryside inside the cottage house. Hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next video.